Social cohesion means the degree of unity within a national society. Social cohesion depends upon the relationships among economic, social, and religious groups, the extent to which basic values are shared, common nationalistic and ideological impulses, and the nature of social organization. Social cohesion helps to stabilize a national group or political community when challenged by external enemies or internal problems. Although foreign policy initiatives do not normally emerge from mass views, the latter often set the limits for policy experimentation. A leading example of a situation in which the views of the mass public played a decisive role in controlling policy leaders was the restraining force of American isolationist and neutral sentiment on the efforts of the Roosevelt administration to expand its aid to the Allies from 1939 to 1941 prior to Pearl Harbor. Mass opinion also contributed substantially to the resignation of President Richard M. Nixon in 1974, the first resignation of a president in American history,